Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to make a rocket using low cost material without any expensive material or laboratory. We can use easily rocket and teach our students and children. We can easily make a rocket at home as well as school. We need very low cost material. Let's begin. Material is required empty 590 millimeter bottle thin cardboard, duct tape, electric tape, skisser, permanent marker, PVC pipe, and white distilled vinegar, and tissue paper, baking soda, and cork. Preparation: roll by 9 by 7 by 9 in or 18 by 23 centimeter piece of thin cardboard into a cone. And the next step is tape the cone with to the bottle of 20 ounce 500 milliliter soda bottle, and then add rocket fins to the bottle and cut by 5 or 5 by 6 inch or 13 to 15 centimeter piece of cardboard. Then we need a launcher for the rocket. Then we need a PVC pipe, 5 inches PVC piece of PVC pipe to make a launcher of rocket. And the next step is place the opening of the bottle inside the PVC pipe and should be hold it by itself, and make sure the bottle is holding by itself. The next step is fill the half of the bottle with the vinegar, which is showing in this picture. Then make a baking soda packet and place heap 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the center of tissue paper, or and then place the baking soda packet inside the bottle and quickly place the cork inside the opening of the bottle, and place the bottle cork side down and inside the launcher. And soda should not mix with vinegar quickly, so make sure this thing is shown in this image or video. It is compulsory. At this time the soda should be not mixed with the vinegar until you put this thing on the launcher. Now the final step is to put this bottle on the launcher, and to be safe and step at least 5 feet away from the rocket. It make 10 to 15 seconds to fly, which is shown in this video. I hope you will be enjoy. Any feedback, any recommendation, or any review you want to suggest about this video, and you must type in the comment. We shall improve these things day by day, and your reviews and comments are very essential part of this. And these are the references where we took this experiment. I hope you will be enjoy and stay safe during COVID-19. Pray and pray with Allah. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.